Select the category, click on search, and if you have already selected few things, it will show like this. Okay, you can choose the major minor category. I'm adding again computer. Click on OK. Enter the description. Let me give the description as CIP. Okay, for our understanding purpose. Then cost is I'm not adding. It's not allowing also. Okay. Keep it, remember, there is no cost involved in the CAP. Cost is not yet finalized. Okay. You can do add the cost once you created CAP. Once it is finalized, you can convert the CAP to a capitalized asset. Okay. So now we are just adding the asset. Yeah. So of course, expense account will get defaulted from your asset category setup level. Okay. Then location you need to choose and click on search. Click on search. Let's select the India location. Okay, let's choose this India, Delhi, New Delhi as a city. Yeah. So I'm going to maintain this asset at this location. SCAP asset. Click on OK. Click on submit. Click on submit. Go to asset inquiry. Sorry. Now you see, Andy, the recent addition tab, the asset is added already. Okay. And you can see the asset number also. It is following the sequence number. Just before one more asset we added, right? That is ending with 6, now ending with 7, right? So the sequence number of asset will get automatically generated. You see the cost of the asset and it will be 0. So this is how we are going to create the CIP asset entry. Okay, you can see the details again by click on this asset number and review the details. Same details we are going to review, like how we reviewed previous asset. Okay, the financial details, descriptive source line details, assignment, cost history, depreciation, and transaction. Right? Fine. Let's do one more thing. Let's convert this asset, CAP asset, to a capitalized asset. And how to do the CAP to capitalized asset. So let's click on home. So we have not noted down that CAP asset number. Let's go back to asset inquiry. Near the asset number. Copy this asset number. Click on home. Click on asset dashboard. Now I want to capitalize this CAP asset. I want to add the cost to this CAP asset so that depreciation also will get impact. There is a task called capitalize CAP asset. Capitalize CAP. Click on this capitalize CAP asset. It's very easy and enter the asset number. Click on search. Select this line. Yeah, click on capitalize. Click on capitalized. The date placed in service, it will ask you. You can enter the date placed in service date. Click on OK. What is the current asset to open period?
Jan 2025, I think.
Is it? Just to double check. No. August 20 we are in.
August 20. Okay.
We are using India card book. Yeah, this is fine. August only, right? We're in August. Fine. We can use some date in between also. Count capital, either already capital. Okay. So we have already done the request. You can search. Okay. Now it is showing as reverse capitalizer. Let me see. Click on done. Let me open this asset CIP asset. Now the asset type is capitalized. Okay. Now it is got changed, but cost is not yet added. Okay. Cost is not yet added. Let me add the cost. You can use the adjust asset and the task name is adjust asset. Click on adjust asset. Enter the asset number. Click on search. Okay. You can click on change financial details. Change financial details. Now I want to add the cost to this asset and you can add the cost here. I'm adding 30,000 as the cost for this asset. Okay. Fine. Click on submit. Click on done. Then you go back and search the asset and see the cost of the asset is added or not. Go to inquiry asset. Open the asset. Not yet added. You can see the total cost of the set is 30,000 and I just entered. And how the recoverable cost is 25,500 and someone please tell me how it is added as a recoverable cost.
We have added salvage value.
Right. So salvage value is there for this asset. That's why the some amount is reduced from your original cost. Okay. Right. Good. Okay, this is how you are going to create your CIP asset and you can convert the CIP asset to capitalized asset later. Okay, and you can add the cost to the asset head. Right. Click on done. So you have a something called transfer assets. Transfer asset means if you want to transfer this asset from one location to another location, or transfer the asset from one account to another account, like how you will do by using this transfer asset option, you can do that functionality. Click on search, right? You can use this button transfer asset and transfer asset. Click on transfer asset. Okay, here you have a plus icon and click on plus icon. So you can split the units also into different units. So you can transfer this asset, total asset into a different units. Like I want to split into one unit to, two units, 1 to 2. It means I want to split this 0.5, 0.5, 2 units, or I want to just, transfer the asset from this account to another account, one department to another department, or I want to keep the same account, I want to just change the location. So that also possible. Or if you want to already this car asset is tagged to one employee, okay, I want to tag another employee. I want to transfer the asset from one employee to another employee. Since one employee is X employee is already using, X employee is going out from the organization. So he submitted his laptop. So we'd like to give this laptop to a new Y employee. So Y employee details we are going to add. So that way the assets are going to transfer in the organization, right? Now let me change the location details. I'm going to transfer the asset from this location to a new location. So let's enter the depreciation expense account also. Enter the new location here. Earlier it is in Delhi location. Now I am adding the Hyderabad location. Click on OK. So I kept it is 0 in the previous record and added a one unit. So new line. Okay. So here we have added a new location. Okay. This is applicable to all and you can change the account, you can change the location, and you can change the units also. You can split if you want, or you can change the employee details. Okay. Anything you can do by transferring the asset and so transfer of the asset will happen location wise, account wise, employee wise, and units also you can split. Okay. Click on submit. Click on done and let's go to inquiry and see. Click on inquiry asset. Let's open the asset. Click on transaction. Now you can see the details of whatever the things we have done, right? First we have CIP addition, then transferring it will by default these two will come. Then we have done the addition, right? Asset addition adjustment, isn't it? We have changed the type of the asset, right? CIP to capitalized, and we have added the cost of the asset, right? So cost of the asset is before is 0 as a CIP. After we have added as 30,000. So you can see the transaction details and the cost we have updated. Then we have done some transfer as well. So what transfer we have done, you can see it here. So earlier location is the Delhi location. Now the asset location is Hyderabad. Okay. So all the changes you have done for the asset, you will see under the transaction tab and it. So all these things are, all these transactions are going to get account once you run the create account feature. So we have done the transfer, we have done the adjustment, right? We have done the addition, CAP, and transfer of the CAP to capitalized asset. Okay, it depends on the scenario. The FAUs are going to, create assets and do some adjustment and do some transfers as well, right? Right. The transfers can happen, one location to another location, or one employee to another employee, or one account to another account. And go back to the taskbar again. So So now you know how to transfer the asset and from one location to another location, from one account to another account, from one employee to another employee. Same way you can do only three scenarios. You can test it out later. Okay, and how to adjust the asset and how to adjust the asset, how to change the details of the asset, like financial details. I would like to change, like I would like to change the depreciation method. I would like to change the cost of the asset, right? So how to do that? You can use always adjust asset option only. Adjust asset option. Enter the asset number. We have already done the cost adjustment. Forget the asset number. Let's copy this. So let's use the old asset number. Click on taskbar. Click on adjust asset. Enter the asset number. Click on search. So under adjust asset, suppose I want to change the category. By mistakenly, I have added invalid category and a wrong category to this asset. I would like to change the category, asset category. Okay, the major and minor categories we have assigned, right? That I want to change. You can use simply, click on change category. If you click on here, it will ask you to enter the new asset category. Yeah. So you can choose a new asset category and submit it. That's it. It is going to change. You can add the details, comment details also respectively. Click on search. Select the new category. So earlier it is computer and hardware, right? Now let's change to some other minor category. Change it to server only. Click on OK. Combination okay, server may not be added. This stock is added or not. It is not added. Let's remove this. Let's click on search. Okay. So these are available. So let's use network. Now I'm going to submit. So it is going to change. Yeah. So this is how, if you want to update the category from one category to another category, if you want to change, if you have done mistakenly added some wrong categories to the asset, okay? Or else if you want to change some financial details, right? So you can click on change financial details. Right? You can add the comment, the respective details. You can update your cost study. Okay, you can increase the cost of the asset, right? And if you want to override the depreciation method,